guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just gonna jump right into it, and we are doing a clay hair mask. This is the first time that I'm doing a clay mask on my hair. I've actually used this a couple of times on my face, and right now my hair is just very dry and brittle from using a ton of edge control to do this pigtail hairstyle. And I actually filmed that video. It's my last video, so if you want to go see it, I'll definitely have it linked in iCards. So we are using the Aztec Indian healing clay and some apple cider vinegar with mother in it. And right here I'm just going to take about 5 teaspoons of this clay and put it into this plastic bowl. Now you don't want to use metal, like a metal bowl or a metal spoon or utensil, because on the back it says not to use that. And then I just shook it up a little bit just so the mother could also be included in this mask. Now I'm just going to give it a good stir, and the consistency I would say is not too thick but not too liquidy. You don't want it very liquidy, but you don't want it too thick. What you could, I'm trying to think of something to compare it to, maybe a thicker cake batter, I guess. So right here I noticed that it was too thick, so I decided to put some more clay and apple cider vinegar into the mix. So honestly, you just gotta eyeball it and do what's best for you. So this is the consistency that I came up with. So I just wet my hair because I didn't want to apply this mask on dry hair, especially because I was sort of detangling my hair as well while I was putting this mask in my hair. So my hair doesn't absorb water very well, so that was just me like scrunching some of that water out because I have low porosity hair. So now I'm just applying that mask directly to my hair, and I would say first impressions, my hair didn't feel really dry at all. It actually felt like it was moisturizing my hair and giving it some length as well. It wasn't giving me like crazy shrinkage either. And so I'm just going to continue to apply this mask to my hair. Then I'll come back and talk to you guys.
If he was the winner, girl, you wouldn't have to worry about a damn thing. If I was up in it, shit, I better pound, that I put it down, make you forget that you was ever with him. And I hate talking about my stroke pain, but girl, I'm giving you the whole thing. I could put like 25 on your fingers, 5 for your shades. You can't see these other niggas, they won't call you again. That's enough. I can see you wasting time. Will you pay it out to me? You're in the wrong hand.
So the mask is all in my hair, and my hair doesn't feel overly dry. It doesn't feel really hard. It feels like the clay is doing what it says. It feels like it's doing a deep cleanse on my scalp, on my hair, and just feels really great on my head. So I'm going to leave this clay mask on for 30 minutes. And these are the results. My hair looks very moisturized. My curls are popping. Shrinkage isn't bad. Like, what? I'm definitely going to do this more often on my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button as well, and make sure you comment and share this video. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I could see you wasting time. Will you pay it out?